Dear students, very warm good morning all of you. We are taking the exercise 7.4. First question. Write shaded portion as fraction. Arrange them in ascending and descending order using correct sign. Greater, smaller, equal between the fraction. So first that will be A part. That 3 upon, that will be 3 upon 8. 3 upon 8. B is that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 upon 8. 6 upon 8. C part is that 1, 2, 3, 4 upon 8. 4 upon 8. D part is that 1 upon 8. 1 upon 8. Then in ascending order. Ascending order is equal to, ascending order means first of all smaller. So 1 upon 8 is smaller. Then 3 upon 8 is smaller. Then 4 upon 8. Then 6 upon 8. Descending order, that will be descending order. You know that first of all greater, then after small, then after small, and then smallest, right? And then second part, B part, done by yourself. C, so that 2 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 6 upon 6 on a number line, put appropriate sign between the fraction given. So that first of all we will draw a number line, that 0, 1 upon 6, 2 upon 6, 3 upon 6, 4 upon 6, 5 upon 6, 7 upon 6, 8 upon 6, 9 upon 6, and then 5 upon 6 is greater than 2 upon 6. Yes, 5 upon 6 is greater than 2 upon 6. So in a first box that will be 5 upon 6 greater than 2 upon 6. 3 upon 6 is box that 0. So we sign this is a 3 upon 6 is greater than 0 because 0 is in left side. And then 1 upon 6, 1 upon 6 box 6 upon 6. So 6 upon 6 is greater because it's right side. And next is 8 upon 6 box 5 upon 6. So 8 upon 6 is greater because 8 upon 6 is right side. Compare the fraction and put the appropriate sign. That second question. A part 3 upon 6 box 5 upon 6. Which is greater? 5 upon 6 is greater because 5 is greater than 3. B part 1 upon 7, 1 upon 7 box 1 upon 4. So 1 upon 4 is greater because that denominator is more than this denominator. C part 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5, 4 upon 5, 5 upon 5. So 5 upon 5 is greater because numerator is greater. D part you will be do, right? Third question. Make 5 more such pair and put appropriate sign. 5 more such pair. So in third that will be right 4 like this. 1 upon 2, 3 upon 2, 4 upon 2, 6/2, 7/2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 pair is done. Question number 4. That look at the figure, this one figure, and write greater, smaller, equal between the given pair of fraction. So you will be see that this figure, and then a part will be there. A part 1/6 is greater, or 1/3 is greater. 1/3 is greater because 1/3 in right side of 1/6. B part 3/4 box the 2/6. 2/6. So 3/4 is greater because 3/4 is in right side of 2/6. C part 2/3. The 2/3, just a minute, 2/3 box 2/4. So 2/3 is greater because 2/3 is right side of 2/4. D part 6/6. 6/6 box 3/3. Both are equal because numerator and denominator are equal, so that will be equal. E part 5/6 box 5/5. So that numerator are equal, in denominator this is the 6, so this is the smaller number of this number. Make 5 more such problem and solve them with your friend. So you can do at home this one. 5th question. How quickly can you do this? Fill appropriate sign greater, equal and smaller. 5. A part 1/2 box that 1/5. Which is greater? 1/2 because this denominator is smaller and numerator are same. B part that 2/4 box 3/6. So both are equal. When you will be divide that 1/2, that will be also 1/2. C part that 3/5 2/3. 3/5 2/3. Now here you are looking, numerator and denominator both are the different. So what we will do here? 5 plus 3 2 that, 3 less 2 1 that. So that is greater because difference of numerator and denominator is there less. D part 3/4 box 2/8. So that will be greater because numerator is greater than denominator. E part 3/5 6/5 that box. So both denominator are same, so 6/5 is greater. 7/9 3/9. 7/9 3/9. That's part number F. So that is a 7 are greater. Next question, and then other part you can do. Question number 6. The following fraction represent just 3 different numbers. Separately them into 3 group of equivalent fraction by changing each one of its simplest form. Right? So this one also we will write in simplest form. So 6 part A. This is also very important. Sorry, that's it 12. So 2 1 ja, 2 6 ja, that is 1 upon 6. B part, that 3 upon 15, 3 upon 15, 3 1 ja, 3 5 ja, 1 upon 5. C part, that will be 8 upon 50, 8 upon 50. Now we will imagine the number. Which number can we divide by? Divide the both. 2, 2 4 ja, 2 25 ja, that is 4 upon 25. E part, oh sorry, D part. D part, 16 upon 100, 16 upon 100. So 4 4 ja 16, 4 25 ja 100, that is 4 upon 25. D. E part, E part, 10 upon 60, 10 upon 60, that's very simple, 0 cancel by 0, 1 upon 6. F part, 15 upon 75, 15 upon 75, 15 1 ja, 15 5 ja 75, 1 upon 5. You will be imagine the number. Which number divide the numerator and denominator? You have done in previous exercise. F. G part, G part, that 12 upon 60, 12 upon 60, 12 1 ja, 12 5 ja, that 1 upon 5. H part, 16 upon 96, 16 upon 96, 16 1 ja, 16 6 ja, 1 upon 6. F. G part, that G part, H. I part, sorry, I part, that 12 upon 75, 12 upon 75, that 3 4 ja 12, 3 25 ja, 4 upon 25. Other part done by yourself. 7th question, find answer to the following, write the indicate how you solve them. Is 5 upon 9 equal to 4 upon 5? No. Why? Because both numerator and denominator are different. 9 upon 16 or 5 upon 9? No, because both numerator and denominator are different and we can't cancel also. C part, is 4 upon 5 equal to 16 upon 20? Yes, because 16 upon 20 is also 4 upon 4 upon 5 by the reducing. 1 upon 15, 4 upon 30? No, because if we will cancel the 4 upon 30, then that will become 2 upon 15. Okay, so 7th part, 7th A, no. B, that is also no. C, yes. D, no. 8th question, Ela read 25 pages of a book containing 100 pages. Lalita read 2 upon 5 of the same book. Who read less? Solution, Ela fraction. Ela fraction is equal to 25 upon 100. 25 upon 100. 1 ja, 4 ja, that is 1 upon 4. And Lalita fraction, Lalita fraction is equal to, that is 2 upon 5. 2 upon 5. So who read greater? Numerator and denominator both are the different. So how we will find? 4 less 1, 3, that is 3, and 5 less 2, this is also 3. So again is problem is there. So 2, this numerator is 2, so that will be Lalita Reed greater. Lalita Reed. No, who read less? Sorry, Ela read less. And then 9th question, Rafiq exercised for 3/6 of an hour. 9th, Rafiq fraction is equal to 3/6. Rohit fraction is equal to 3/4. Who exercise longer? So that subtraction of this is 6 less 3, 3, 4 less 3, 1. So this difference is less. So Rohit exercise longer. Rohit exercise is longer time. And then 10th question. For 10th question, we will also do like fraction. What is the 10th question? In a class A, 25 students, 20 students passed with 60 more %. In another class B of 30 students, 24 passed with 60% or more marks. In which class was a greater fraction of students getting with 60 or more marks? So A's fraction is equal to that 20 students are passed out of 20. So 5 4 ja 5 5 ja, that is 4/5, and B fraction is equal to that is 24/30. So 6 4 ja 20, 6 5 ja, that 4/5 both. So in which class is greater? Both are equal. Okay.